Hello, this is Ron back with Ron's Drone Tech and Camera channel. And today I have an accessory for many of the devices I use on the regular. Today's going to be kind of a unboxing, first look, and review of a new micro SD card. It's, I believe the name is pronounced Povee. Povee, Povee. I've never heard it said, so I hope that's the correct pronunciation. But this can be purchased at Amazon.com. I will put a link down below to purchase this. It's an Amazon's choice. Right today, as the making this video, let me tell you what date it is today. 10/17/2020. This card is $19.99 and on Amazon.com. And let me go over some of the benefits of this card, memory card. You can see in there that it's a SD. The micro SDs are tiny, but this is the adapter, so you could you can put it inside that adapter, and then you could plug it in a full-size SD card slot, so you can upload the files to your computer or tablet or whatever your device is that you do your editing on. Okay, and some of the benefits of this card, it's waterproof. I'm not sure if my SanDisk cards, I use SanDisk a lot, are waterproof. This one is. It's got 100 megabit speed. Now, I suppose that's read, not write, but we'll keep going here. It's for 4K Ultra HD video. Of course, this is the micro SD XC that we already discussed. That's the U3, which is important. U3s are great for 4K video. And V30, I'm not sure what that V30 means, but and across the bottom it shows little icons good for cameras, video games, action cameras, and looks like tablets. So you can see the little icons across the bottom there. So let's see what's on the back here. It's even showing drones on the back here, which is going to be one of the ways I use it. Drones, DSLRs, action cameras, Nintendo Switches, tablets. So waterproof. It's extreme temperatures all the way. It doesn't give the range of temperatures, but it says good in extreme temperatures. It's anti-static. It's X-ray safe. Remember, you used to always hear about going through airports and X-rays, messing people's films up, or even SD cards from the cameras. And it's also a drop test pass, so it's got a lot going on for here. I'm going to see if I see a warranty, on the card here any place. I do not. I mean, it's awful small print here, but I do not see it state a warranty here. But maybe we'll go to the website and find out, what your warranty is, because typically the warranty is like real good on the SanDisk brand of memory cards. Okay, so let's see if we can get this out of here. I got my scissors here. I'll cut this out of the packaging here. The blister pack is, I believe they call this here, so bear with me here. These are always hard to get out of these things. Okay, so here we're down to just, what we're really dealing with here too. So on the back, okay, on the back it has, it says additional 2 years. So you register on the PoveeTech.com to get an additional 2 years of warranty and a free replacement. So that's good to know. You can see that there. So see if I can pull this back off here. So I got to remember to go over to the website then later on. It's awful sticky back here. All right. Here we go. I think I found the where it splits here. There we go. Dropping everything. Okay, so here's the tiny little Povee. I'm trying to avoid putting my hands on the little gold connectors there. So there's the card, and there's the adapter for it. So what you do is you put the card in the adapter like so, and then you have the connectors on this side, and you plug that into your memory card slot on your computer or other such device. So yeah, so let's see, no additional information on here, but some of the devices I use a card like this for is the like the drones, like this the Mavic Air 2, which takes a memory card, and this is this is a 4K drone with a kind of a 1.5 inch sensor quad bear processor. And then action cameras like your GoPro Hero Series A require a fast memory card and one with a good size too. Did I mention this is a 128 gig card? So there's plenty of room on that card to hold information. I generally have been using 64 gig cards, but now that the price of the 128s have started to fall, I'll probably move over there just to give you that extra space, because the 4K files do take up a lot of room, especially if you're recording like at 60 frames per second. And even more so, a drone like this is the Mavic 2 Pro, and this has a 1-inch sensor, and it has 10-bit color in it. So this can create a really large file if you're using all the settings maxed out to the full capability. So what I will do is I will put the card in this drone, and we will test this out to see if you can record in the maximum, settings and not have the card fail. Because if you try to put too slow a memory card into a drone like the Mavic 2 Pro, it'll warn you. It'll say, this card isn't fast enough, and may not even let you record video. So to test speed, we will put it in the Pro and try to record some video. We don't necessarily have to go out flying. We could just do it here in the office. It's a matter of seeing if it will actually let me record at a 4K, 10-bit color, and all the max settings. So that'll be the review portion of this kind of unboxing and first look at the Povee micro SD card. Okay, stay tuned for the review section, or maybe that'll even be a separate video, maybe. So okay, so thanks for stopping by, here at this early part of the video here, and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification button. Don't forget, I will put a link down below where you can purchase the Povee micro SD card on Amazon.com. All right, thanks for stopping by, folks, and we will see you in the next one.